Let's learn how to use voice typing in slides. Open up a Google Slides, and then to enable voice typing, click on Tools, Voice Type Speaker Notes, and then when you're ready, you'll click on the microphone. The first time you might have to allow permissions. Keep in mind in slides, your voice is going to be typing down here in the speaker notes as opposed to up on the slides, but we'll get there. Click on the microphone to start, then speak loudly and clearly. Don't forget your punctuation, and when you're done, click the microphone again. Double-click on your text, copy, then click on a text box, paste, and voila! You have successfully used the voice typing in speaker notes and then copied and pasted up onto your slide.